What if I told you that somewhere, right now, an AI agent is sourcing candidates, screening resumes, conducting first round interviews, and even negotiating salaries, all without a recruiter? Crazy, right? But here's the real question. Is this the future of hiring or the beginning of the end for recruiters? Welcome to the Recruitment Curry podcast, where we spice up recruitment, hiring, and business operations with real talk, bold insights, and maybe a little heat. I'm Ketan Gadger, and today we are diving into one of the most controversial, exciting, and slightly terrifying topics in hiring: AI agents. Are they here to make recruiters smarter and faster? Or are we training our own replacements? More importantly, how can you, as a recruiter or a business leader, make sure you stay ahead? Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI agent? You've probably heard of AI tools in recruitment, ATS systems that rank resumes, chatbots that answer candidate FAQs, automation that sends follow ups. But AI agents, these are next level. Unlike traditional AI, which needs human input to function, AI agents are designed to think, decide, and act on their own. They can analyze data, make predictions, and even execute tasks without human intervention. So, what does that mean for hiring? Well, they source talent faster than any recruiter ever could, scanning thousands of profiles in seconds. They personalize candidate outreach, analyzing LinkedIn activity, email engagement, and even sentiments. They conduct pre-screening interviews, using AI-driven assessments to score candidates. They schedule interviews, syncing calendars and reducing no-shows. And they predict offer acceptance rates, analyzing salary trends, market conditions, and behavioral signals. And if that doesn't impress you, get this. AI agents can now negotiate salaries in real time based on market trends and candidate expectations. Imagine an AI recruiter that can tell you the exact number that will get a candidate to say yes. So let me ask you, if AI can do all of this, where does that leave human recruiters? Let's talk about the real impact of AI agent. Because as much as they sound like magic, there's a dark side too. Let's start with the good side. Number one, speed and efficiency. Well, AI doesn't get tired, doesn't procrastinate, and doesn't miss a follow-up. Number two, better candidate experience. Well, AI can personalize every interaction, making candidates feel valued. And number three, unbiased hiring. Well, in theory, AI removes human bias, but does it really? Now, that brings us to the bad news. The bad. Bias isn't eliminated, it's automated. AI learns from past data, and if that data is biased, it makes the same mistakes faster and at scale. Number two, lack of human judgment. Well, AI can rank resumes, but can it sense the potential? Can it spot the passion? Can it read between the lines? Number three, too much automation can kill trust. Well, candidates still want human conversations, especially for big career moves. Here's a real life example. In 2018, Amazon built an AI driven hiring tool that was supposed to be unbiased. The result? It downgraded resumes from women. Why? Because it was trained on past hiring data that favored men. Amazon scrapped the project, but it was a wake up call. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. So, should we just scrap AI in recruitment? Absolutely not. But should we trust it blindly? Also, no. So, here's the $1 million question: will AI agents take recruiter jobs? Let's get brutally honest. If your job is just posting ads, skimming resumes, and sending out template messages, then yes, an AI agent can and will replace you. But if your value lies in understanding people, building relationships, and making strategic hiring decisions, then congratulations, you are irreplaceable, at least at this stage. Think about it. Calculators didn't replace accountants, but accountants who refused to use them, they disappeared. Recruiters who embrace AI will have superpowers. Instead of wasting time sorting CVs, they'll be advising hiring managers, closing top talent, and driving real business impact. So, instead of fearing AI, here's how to make it work for you. Let's get technical. How can you, as a recruiter or a business leader, use AI agents to your advantage? Number one, use AI for what it does best: speed and efficiency. Let AI handle resume screening, outreach, and scheduling so you can focus on human conversations. Number two, train AI to work for you, not against you. Well, AI is only as good as the data it learns from. So make sure it's trained on high quality, unbiased data. Number three, focus on what AI can't do: relationship building. So AI can rank candidates, but it can't build trust, influence decisions, or truly understand human potential. And number four, stay ahead of the curve. Keep learning. Recruiters who upskill in AI driven hiring will lead the industry. The rest, well, they'll be left behind. And final thoughts: AI agents aren't here to replace recruiters, they're here to elevate them. The real threat isn't AI, it's recruiters who refuse to evolve. So, the question isn't, will AI take recruiter jobs? The question is, will you be a recruiter who adapts and thrives? This is Ketan Gajjar. Thanks for tuning into the Recruitment Career Podcast. Keep growing, keep thriving, and carry on.